So, okay, I'm gonna do a really, probably not quick video right up to the other one I did because I have like, I don't, I said thank you, of course, to some of the people who, which means a lot to me, but I just don't feel like I like got deep enough. Like, I really explained to them how much they meant to me. So I'm gonna do this again, and I'm gonna specific thank you every single person. I'm gonna start with Harley. I love Harley. She is adorable, she's amazing, and this is gonna sound really harsh, but I don't think I would be here if it weren't for Harley. I really don't think so. She is one of the only persons, or there's two others or something like that, who can make me happy no matter what mood I'm in. Who can make me smile and make me laugh and just make me feel like someone actually loves me. We have both have our dark moments, and we all have that, but I still love Harley. I love Harley so deeply, and we both have persons in our lives that we don't like, and I respect for what she wants, and I can't say how much I appreciate that I have her in my life, and I couldn't live without her. And then there is Morgan, which I definitely couldn't live without either. We have days where we both sad, so we talk like really deep conversations, really sad, long conversations. And then when we're both happy, we are perverted, we are funny, we are just everything that makes me smile. He's a very good friend to me, even though he lives far away from me, as Harley also does. But I love them both dearly. He's like the brother I never had. He's like, every girl's dream of a gay friend. Because even though I feel like he acts gay and stuff like that, he's still, yeah, he's my lesbian lover. What can I say? And I can't wait the day where I come to England too, so I can sit on your lap and feed you cookies. Really seriously, that made my day. And then there is Natasha. I don't know how to describe Natasha. Natasha is incredibly beautiful, really is. She is probably one of the most beautiful girls I have ever seen. Really. She has beautiful eyes, she has a stunning face, she looks flawless, and she has amazing hair. I love her very dearly. Really dearly. And there would be times when we could be joking around, maybe even pissing each other off, but I know when I really need her, she will be there for me. I always know that. And the next one I'm going to do in Danish, so you just skip over that if you don't want to hear it. Mille. Yeah, hvad er der at sige om Mille? Jeg elsker Mille. Mille er fantastisk, og jeg glæder mig til den dag i ferien, hvor jeg egentlig kan få lov til at være sammen med hende, hvor jeg egentlig kan få lov til at kramme Mille. Mig og Mille har begge to været tider, hvor vi er meget triste, og vi har begge to været tider, hvor vi har virkelig brug for hinanden, og hvor vi måske egentlig har været meget glade. Jeg ved, hvordan Mille har det. Jeg ved alt, hvad hun har været, eller ikke alt, hvad hun har været igennem, men meget af det, og meget af det, jeg har været igennem, og jeg har haft stor brug for Mille ved min side, hvor Mille har været der hver eneste gang. Mille, ja, det kan ikke beskrive så meget, jeg elsker Mille. Mille betyder så utrolig meget for mig. But it's one of my sappy moments, and I'm actually almost crying. My eyes are getting really wet because I just love these people. I love them so dearly, and you guys, you mean the world to me. You really does. And my friend AM also means the world to me. But I have the opportunity to tell her that every single day, which I don't have for the rest of you. And I of course also have many other friends who means a lot to me. But this especially is very close to my heart, and these I wouldn't be here if it weren't for them. I love you guys. I love you with my whole heart, and I want you to always know that. And I hope this friendship will last forever. I really truly do love you.